bustling and lively as if still on the coastline today.
So we're gonna start here. This is called Mercado del San Lorenzo, so you can see this space right in here. I think I'm gonna walk into that briefly as well. And then our street is actually gonna be starting right here where this Bank of China is at. We're right next to this market. And then we're gonna walk all the way down and film the street. It's called Praia de Manduco. And it's kind of the street where the Manduco beach used to be. And then it's reclaimed and now it's just a regular street. But it still has a lot of the marketplace stuff, so we're going to capture all that as well. So stay tuned. Let me put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are as well. Okay, we got another slice of Macau for you. Let's put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. Without further ado, let's just get right into it as if you're there yourself. Another slice of Macau. Let's do it. So the Mercado is right here. I don't know if I can film inside or not, but you can sell, they sell meat, vegetables and such like that. It's all fresh, but I'm not going to go inside. But it's kind of interesting because this whole street will have a lot of fresh fish, vegetables, and also flowers as well. And sometimes they'll call it a hawker street. We're going to take a look down it. Let me just see. Yeah, you can see all the hawkers basically. And there's a lot of restaurants here too. Then this also goes up into all these little alleys everywhere as well. So for example, so this one goes up, this both up to San Lorenzo, this one and also this one right up here too. That one. So basically San Lorenzo is where the church is at now and historically was at as well. And so everything is kind of built downward to this marketplace so people could walk. I think this used to be the beach, and then now it's basically just kind of a hawker road. Yeah, Praia means beach. So, and I think this probably would have been along the water, so I think along the water would have also been a place where it had a lot of just kind of capture everything. So they also would have had a lot of, it's pretty good. Sal Street. So they would have had a lot of ships coming in with a lot of different produce and things like that. And even now, a lot of these, they got a lot of fruits and vegetables for really good prices. We're gonna go on the other side of the street. This also goes up to San Lorenzo, so up the hill is the giant church, St. Lazarus. So yeah, you can buy a lot of fruits and vegetables here. So this is kind of a well-known market area to buy fresh produce. Okay, let me see. Yeah, and so they got a pharmacy, a lot of different fruits, vegetables, and clothing as well. So you can buy some clothing. I don't know what the prices are. I think they're probably just a few American dollars. We also got some marketplaces as well. Eggs. There you go. I'm gonna keep on walking down. The lighting is just about right. Yeah, it's kind of interesting. All the buildings, they're about 5 stories high, 5-6 stories high. The top floor is usually illegal, and they'll sometimes have like, you know, makeshift stuff or just like a really nice roof. This part is a flower shop area, so you can buy like very fresh flowers everywhere in here. They smell really nice too. More flowers.
Ôi,
Hello.
Hiểu đi cô à, hello.
Oh, hello.
Lúc gì à?
Thank you. Oh, and this right here, this is the name of the street right here. And then this right here is because storm surge comes in. So this whole area will have flooding. So flooding can come quite easily to this area. So they'll have like a storm surge thing to let people know. Like usually there'll be a notification, storm surge, possibly up to 2 meters high. And then anywhere in the city that has that risk of flooding will have those signs like that. I'm gonna go over here because I want to capture the street sign real quick. There's our street sign right there. So Praia do Manduco, Manduso. So that just basically is like a Manduco Beach Road. And incidentally, there will also be a train line that will be labeled with the same name. And I think the train is going to be built at the end of the street because we're walking towards the waterfront right now. This right here is a Mandarin house. It's kind of a museum now, so this is part of the Mandarin house. The main one is in the alleys a little bit. You have to go up to get into that. Okay. We'll keep on walking. So yeah, I think down here we're going to see if we can find where the let's see if I can walk across the street. I think that looks pretty cool. We'll see if we can see any evidence of where the train is being built. Right now it's built to Bara, and then I believe that after Bara it goes to this street. Will be the next station up, I think. There might be another station in between the two. Let's see. And then we're also going to walk by this area right here that we're walking by. Is kind of an this was like built for social housing, then it turned into kind of an art space. So you can see some of these beautiful murals on the walls. Then yeah, this Praia de Claridade. This used to be all for older people, and I think it became abandoned for some reason, and now they're going to restore it. We'll get a better view of that in a moment. Now you can see so yeah, I think way down at the end, down at this end, they're starting to paint that, and as they paint it they're going to beautify it and restore it. I believe some of the things are a little bit deteriorated, so some of these there's actually like railroad ties, so they're trying to preserve it and keep it, but anyways, it's not our particular focus for this particular street. And we're not too far from the end of the street as well. Let me just see if I can walk across here. I'm gonna come across. So our street goes up like that, and then you can see some of the signs. So there's the street hawker zone, it's called, Sao Lorenzo, where we started, and then this goes down to Bara and the Maritime Museum and the waterfront. And I think that this one is actually somewhat being developed and kind of new as well. So let's walk down a little bit further. So they're burning incense to the ancestors today. It's like it's called Hungry Ghost Month. So right now those are all for the spirits. I think filming wise, I'm not sure. That goes down the waterfront right there. Takimachi. Okay, so yeah, we'll see if there's any evidence of the station. I do see a sign. I'm kind of curious what that sign says. There's a sign that I think it's going to say the Bara train station. So we're going to come to the ending of the street up here. Oh yeah. Look at that. Okay, so we're going to come up to the end, and then this goes up to kind of the waterfront area. So up there, over there is the waterfront. You can see Zhuhai in the distance over there. And then this is Bara Station. So Bara Station is directly that way, and then also Amma Temple is that way. So we just checked out this little hawker street. And yeah, this is all parallel with the water all the way down. And this would have once, this would be like more reclaimed land in this area, the flat part. And then this would have been our target street. Just end it right there.